Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Silent Seas 1257. Here we go. Me, Monster Jam Top Dog, and Earthshaker, Turtle Loco, Chrome Gravedigger, Gears, Thunder Digger, Prowler, Dragon, Lucas Okasair, Wild Hair, and Octonator. The Chucker Driver, Mastermind, Junker Dog, Mass Scientist, McDonald's Max D, Malcore, Monster Dimension, Hoggus Max D, McDonald Fire, Surf, Zombie, and Boogavan. Jackson Davis, Zero and Storm Damage, Stinger, Black Gravedigger, Captain's Curse, Thunderbuzz, Pirate's Curse, Spinmaster, Glass Machine, Iron Warrior, and US Air Force Afterburner. And King James TV, you're on Dragon's Breath, Iron Knotlock, Kraken, Bounty Hunter, Zombie Hunter, Hollis, Pirate's Curse, Northern Nightmare, Chester, and Backwards Bob. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.